you know, sometimes leaders say the most ludicrous things, the most crazy things. And then you look and you're like, but Beatrice Elachi, like, I mean, I know that when the president is there, you kind of feel like you have to put out a good show. Really? I mean, to say that it is not the president's fault, that actually it is COVID. COVID is the reason why these things are happening. In fact, what you're saying is that the likes of Anthony Kariuki, Peter Njenga, all these innocent Kenyans who have lost their lives because of police brutality, because of rogue police, because of the directive of shoot to kill. Those ones, they've been shot by COVID. COVID is the one that went out and shot those people and they died. That's what you're trying to tell us. You're also trying to tell us that Bridget, the 12-year-old girl who was sitting in her house at home, she died because of COVID. That's what you're trying to say. In fact, what you're trying to tell Kenyans is, by the way, ignore all these things. You people are making so much noise, and you know this thing started from COVID. It's COVID that has brought this, you know, the things we are going through. By the way, you guys, it's COVID. That's what Beatrice Elachi Mheshimiwa, MP for Dagoretti North, that's what you're trying to convince Kenyans. And you know, I was like, okay, maybe if I list for you the names of all the innocent Kenyans who have died because these police have received a shoot to kill order, which by the way is completely illegal. Maybe I shouldn't mention those. In fact, I was thinking, if I do this video to you, what should I say? And I thought, let me speak to you as a mother, because me and you, we are mothers. Me and you, we have sons. And Mheshimiwa Beatrice Elachi, you are spitting in the faces of Kenyans. So where you are seated, do you think the parent of that 12-year-old girl, Bridget, is buying any crap that you're selling in terms of COVID is the problem? Huh? That mother's daughter is somewhere sitting asking herself, even Bridget was not on the streets. Even if you want to say, oh, mulienda kufanya nini kwa Bridget alikuwa kwa streets gani? Bridget was in the house. I mean, really. By the way, let me just tell you. By the way, let me just say this actually. Simbarati, Governor Simbarati, ulifanya nini? What did you do? What kind of a leader did you take to Dagoretti North? I mean, really, guys, Dagoretti North, apana. No, iyo by the way, iyo hata muniite aje, hata munitukanaje. That's bullshit.